Hey guys, Andrew King here. Welcome to my Octopus review. I'm here inside the members area and today I'm gonna give you a full walkthrough. I'm also going to show you what the price and upsells are and how much all this costs. And on top of that, I got some really cool custom-made bonuses for you guys to help you get the best out of Octopus. Now, in a nutshell, Octopus, it's a 4-in-1 pack to help you succeed with YouTube. You're gonna get 2 courses and 2 softwares. The first course is gonna be on YouTube in general, how to set up everything. I'm gonna go over the modules in a second. The second one is gonna be SEO masterclass, and the software, the first software is gonna be SPYTube. That's gonna help you spy on your competitors. And the last one, which is the second software, is gonna be Thumbster to make your YouTube thumbnails. So it's a 4-in-1 pack to help you succeed with YouTube. If you are interested in picking up Octopus anytime during watching this review, all you have to do is click the link down below in the description, come through to my bonus page and click on one of these green buttons. Then you'll be taken to the sales page right here of Octopus. All you have to do is click on the green button and you can pick up your copy of Octopus. You have to do that before the countdown timer hits 0 on my bonus page, because once it does, all my bonuses will disappear and so will this page. My first bonus I'm giving away with Octopus is gonna be Octane Pro. You're gonna be able to access to Octane Pro. It's another software launched by Brandon Mace and John Armstrong. It was launched last year, I believe. You can basically grab videos and live stream them to YouTube. So this is gonna help you a lot to rank your videos. I'm gonna give you access to the pro version, so you get everything included, all the features included. My second bonus is gonna be VidChomper. VidChomper is another great software by Brendan Mace and John Armstrong. It's gonna allow you to go to YouTube Creative Commons. You can grab 2 videos from the Creative Commons and chomp them together, and then you can upload them using Octane to YouTube. You can live stream them and it will help you rank even better. My third bonus is going to be access to Equinox Pro. Now the SPYTube is the same thing as Equinox, but I'm giving you the pro version. That means you can access this software. This software basically is gonna go and search YouTube for links. So basically there are videos on YouTube that have tons of views, but the links or the websites in the description are dead links. What you can do is you can go to GoDaddy and Namecheap and you can buy these domains and redirect all that traffic to any offer you want. Basically, in the normal version of Equinox, you can only do that on YouTube, but in the pro version, you can also do this with Wikipedia. So you can go and search articles on Wikipedia and you can find that links and you can redirect all that traffic to any offer you want. So basically it's the same software as SPYTube, but I'm giving you access to the Wikipedia version so you get more leverage. My third bonus, I believe it's gonna be, or my fourth bonus is gonna be a hack on how to rank #1 on YouTube, because even though they are showing you some SEO tricks, I don't think that you'll be able to rank #1 on YouTube. I'm gonna show you that in my fourth bonus. In my fifth bonus, I'm gonna show you 3 other ways to monetize or to make money with Octopus. And the last bonus, I'm gonna give you access to all the vendors bonuses. Now I don't know what these bonuses are, but what I do know is that most other affiliates are gonna be offering these bonuses alone. I have gone above that and gave you access to all these extra bonuses delivered to you free of charge and instantly once you pick up Octopus. Now once you pick up Octopus, you're gonna go to your JVZoo account, then you're gonna go to purchase history, then or you're gonna go here where it says my purchases, and then you're gonna click on Octopus. Just scroll down and click on bonuses right here, bonuses by Andrew. You will find a blue button that looks just like this one, and you can access all your bonuses delivered to you for free. Now remember, you have to pick this up via my bonus page to get all my bonuses for free. If you pick this up from other affiliates, you won't access my bonuses. Feel free to check what other affiliates are offering in terms of bonuses. Once you realize that my bonuses are the best and the most useful, you can come back to my bonus page and pick up Octopus. Now let's take a look at the sales page right here and the claims made by the sellers or the vendors. Steal the exact software and simple tactics that generate us over 1 million free visitors from YouTube in the last 30 days without any previous experience, plus a limited time. Get our software that puts your links inside the high traffic videos legally in rapid traffic. And here we have they explain to you that you can do this in 3 steps. I'm gonna show you that you can literally do this in 3 steps. Yes, and here you're gonna scroll down. We have some proof of ranking, we have some proof, some statistics proof, and if we keep scrolling down right here, we have create a blog from scratch. They're showing you what you can do with this software or with this pack. Here we have the video or the proof video. We have some more claims and they are explaining to you all about this pack. You can check out the sales page on your own time. It's long. I'm not gonna review the sales page. You're here to see the members area, so I'm gonna show you the members area. You're gonna get access to 2 platforms, which is gonna be this one for your courses and this one for the softwares. The first one is gonna be access to, as you can see, the members area where you have these modules. Module number 1 is gonna be the foundation to success with Octopus system. Here we have some training telling you all about the Octopus system. Then the second module is going to be understanding the mass plan. They're going to explain to you exactly what you are going to do. The module number 3 is going to be creating and dominating niche channels. So they're going to show you on how to create a niche channel and dominate. The bonus or the module number 4, I'm sorry, is going to be creating review channels just like this one that you are watching right now. I'm making a review of this product, so they're gonna show you how to make that and hopefully succeed with that. Module number 5 is gonna be 5 steps to make money with Creative Commons. I already gave you access to 3 softwares that they're gonna help you succeed with Creative Commons and all that stuff. You can automate everything on YouTube. You don't have to show your face if you use these softwares, because you can literally go to Creative Commons, chomp 2 videos together and upload them live to YouTube. It's as simple as that, and you can start making money. All you have to do is take action. Module number 6 is going to be the tech part, recording and editing your videos. If you are camera shy, you can skip this module. All you have to do is use the softwares I gave you in my bonuses, and you'll be able to skip this part and automate the module number 6. The bonus module is going to be SEO Masterclass, which is going to be the second course. They're going to teach you on how to rank your videos, but I got you covered in that. I'm going to show you on how to rank number 1 in YouTube. Basically, you don't need that. And the bonus is going to be a case study. They're going to give you a case study of their student who made over $1,985 in 40 days with the Octopus system. So this is basically proof of this working. Now let's jump to the softwares here. Once you log into the SPYTube software, all you have to do is search dead links inside of YouTube videos. So we're going to search YouTube videos based on keywords. Let's go for make money online, and let's make the result 5 because I don't want it to take a long time. So basically it's gonna go ahead and find videos, and then it's gonna tell us about these links. These links are unavailable. When it says available, you can go and pick this up from GoDaddy or Namecheap. Basically, all you have to do is go to settings. You can set up your APIs, your YouTube API, your GoDaddy API here, and your Namecheap API as well. Once you do that, once you make a research, let's say dog training, let's do another one just to show you. So it's a really quick search. We have dog training. As you can see, it's gonna show you the top videos in the dog training searches on YouTube, and then it's gonna show you the links mentioned in the description of these videos, and it's gonna show you the status. If it's available, you can go straight to GoDaddy or Namecheap and pick up the domain, and all that traffic that comes to these videos is gonna click on that link, and hopefully you can redirect that traffic wherever you want. Now, however, a lot of people are gonna be using this software. So basically what I recommend you do is you go to a sub niche. A sub niche is like a smaller part of the niche, which is the big part. You can go to the sub niche and choose a sub niche. For example, let's say dog leeches or whatever. You can do reviews, you can search whatever you want right here. And once you do that and you choose a non-competitive niche, you're gonna find a lot of videos, and you will have more chance of getting traffic because most people are gonna be targeting niches. You can target sub niches and make it even more money. Now, once you pick up domains, you're gonna go to your domain section right here, and you're gonna find all the domains that you have picked up. We have this one right here. You have chosen. You can click here and verify it, and basically you can own that domain and you can redirect that traffic wherever you want. You can promote affiliate offer, you can redirect them to Amazon to buy something, whatever you want basically. The second software is going to be Thumbster. Let me just click on it right here real quick. Basically from the name you'll know that this is a thumbnail creator. It's really simple. You have all the tools you need right here. You can upload the templates from your computer, or you can create a new one and click on create, and here you can add whichever you want. You can add a text. Let's say I want to add a text here. Save. Let me just type in something, Andrew King for example. For some reason it's showing up white. Let me just change the color to blue. Yeah, let's type in Andrew King. And you can make cool thumbnails. As you can see, I'm gonna click on save here. I can add some filters. I can add, I can draw, I can do all this stuff. You can add basics, for example, resize. You can add the color. You can add images, whatever you want. Basically, it's a really good software for making thumbnails. If you want some alternative for making thumbnails, you can go and check out canva.com. You can make simple thumbnails. But if you want some advanced tool for making thumbnails, this one is definitely worth it. Basically that's it. I showed you the training, I showed you the softwares. If you like to pick this up via my link to get all the softwares I mentioned right here in my bonuses, all you have to do is again is click the link down below in description, come through to my bonus page and click on one of these green buttons. Then you'll be able to access the sales page and pick up your copy. Let's talk about the prices in the upsells real quick. The price for the front end, everything I just showed you, is going to be at $27. Then it's going to go up to $37 on each and every sale. It's a dime sale, so make sure to pick it up. This goes live at the 13th of June at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure to pick that up at 11 a.m. if you want to get the best price possible. The first upsell is going to be the Octopus Diamond, which is going to be $47. You're going to get access to the SPYTube Diamond, unlimited searches, unlimited domains, and all that good stuff. Let me just remind you that you don't need the first upsell because I got you covered in Equinox. You're gonna get all that inside of Equinox Pro. You definitely don't need the first upsell. So don't pick the first upsell. We have the page, the stick, I don't know how to pronounce that. This amazing tool will allow you to create pages quickly that you can run powerful marketing and remarketing. So if you want that tool, you can pick the first upsell up, but as I told you, it's not worth it. The upsell number 2 is going to be Blogmatic. Create profitable video blogs in minutes using viral YouTube content. How it works: it's a WordPress plugin. So if you want to create blog videos or video blogs in minutes, you can pick up the second upsell. I don't know what this is. I'm not gonna recommend you to pick this up because I don't really know what this is. It's a WordPress plugin, but I have never seen it in action, so I'm not gonna recommend this for you. You can check the sales page and read more about it and decide whether you want to pick this up or not. The upsell number 3 is gonna be ranked 24 hours, $27. Grow 5 years in 1 day. Discover the secrets of the king of videos. To rank any video, you don't need the third upsell. I gave you access to my bonus right here, my bonus number 4 on how to rank number 1 in YouTube. You don't need the third upsell. So basically what you want to do is pick up the front end. The first upsell, you don't need it unless you want the page tastic. The second upsell, not needed. The third upsell, don't pick it up. The fourth upsell is going to be the done for you. They're going to give you, I think, done for you, as they say, free registered domain during 1 year, complete setup professional blogs for 40 SEO approved articles, free hosting, 20 video reviews with SEO to rank faster. I don't know about this one, but it's overpriced. Basically, it's $297, and you're gonna get a free domain which you can pick up for $20 and 40 SEO approved articles. I don't know if this is worth it, but I highly think it's overpriced. So what you want to pick up is the front end, obviously, because it's a no-brainer. You get two courses in 2 softwares. It's a basically no-brainer for $27. Pick it up before it goes up to $37. The first upsell, you don't need it. The second upsell is, as I said, you have to check the sales page and read more about it. And that's basically it. The third upsell, you don't need it. The fourth upsell, I think it's highly overpriced. If you want done for you stuff, $297 is way too much. But if you want to automate everything, I guess if you have the extra money, you can pick this up for $297. That's basically it. You can check out the demo video right here on my bonus page, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.